Morning Google OAuth verification support team. We have applied for 3 new scopes for our application, and we have asked to remove some of the scope from the code base which we are not using, and then create the video to showcase all the scopes. So this is the application. We will use Google authentication to log into the application. Once on this pop-up, we will click on the email to log into the application. Now from this screen, we will click on the integrations. From here we can see that various integrations are listed here, and Google Workspace Business is already connected. I will disconnect at first, and then we have the integration which are available but are not connected. So that includes Google Workspace, Google Personal Email, Google Drive, and Google Drive Business. So the user can integrate using their credential to whatever they want to use. So I will go ahead and show how the integration works for and what scopes are used in Google Workspace Business. So once we click on this, we will choose the email which we want to proceed with. On this screen we can see the logo of Verkko and the title. So once we click on this email address, we will click on the advanced and go to the next screen. From here we will click on continue, and the logo shows here. We can see the client ID of the application we have applied for shows on here. Then as I had already was connected, so the scopes are not shown to me, or the services are not shown to me. To see them, I'll click on this, and it lists down all the services and the scopes I am approving with my credentials. So it includes view your email messages settings, read, compose and send email from your Gmail. These scopes are already approved on the application. We have applied for few new. See, edit, create, delete all of your Google Drive files. See, edit, create, delete all your Google slide presentation. See, edit, create, delete all your Google document. See, edit, create, delete all your Google spreadsheet. View event on your calendar. View and edit event on your calendar. See and download any calendar you can access using the calendar. See, edit, share, permanently delete all the calendar you can access using the Google Calendar. View your task, create, edit, organize, delete all your tasks. See your personal info, including any personal info you have made publicly available. See your primary Google account email address, associate you with your personal info on the Google. So these are the scopes which we are using on this integration. Once I click on this and on the continue button, I will be reverted back to the application with the connection done message. So the integration is now connected. Similarly, if we click on the Google Drive Business, then we want to connect and use the scopes for this, we will click on this Google Drive scopes, only for the Drive scopes. We will again choose the application email I want to use, click on advanced, click on go to save, then continue. It will list down all the scopes which would be needed here. So see, edit, create, delete all your Google Drive slide presentation. See, edit, create, delete all your Google Docs documents. See, edit, create, delete all your Google Sheets. See your personal info, including your personal. See your primary Google account email address, associate you with your personal info on Google. So these are the scopes which we are using on this integration. then we click on continue, and the application will connect to these scopes again. So that is how we are using the scopes on the application. These scopes are used when the automations are created, and then or while doing the chatting, the user can choose the file and go ahead. So that is how we are using the Google OAuth application scopes. Thank you.